first trial is the PERLA trial, and the PERLA trial is a phase two first global randomized double-blind head-to-head study of the two PD-1 inhibitors. One is Dostarlimab, and the other is Pembrolizumab in non-small cell lung cancer. As you know, the Dostarlimab is famous for its significant survival improvement in mismatch repair deficient locally advanced rectal cancer or the primary advanced or recurrent endometrial cancer. And the one more thing which is very interesting is that the Dostarlimab has a distinct PD-1 binding sites and the orientation from other PD-1 inhibitors. Therefore, the clinical impact of the Dostarlimab distinct binding mode were to be determined, and this study is one of them. So in the analysis, Dostarlimab plus chemo met its primary endpoint and demonstrated the favorable numerical trends in ORR, overall response rate, and the PFS, progression-free survival, compared to the Pembrolizumab plus chemo. And at the median of 21 months follow-up, the numerical trend in the OS were also favoring the Dostarlimab plus chemo versus Pembrolizumab plus chemo. And the overall survival, overall response rate was 45% versus 39%, which was not statistically significant, but numerically better. This time at the ESMO Asia, the pre-planned analysis of the Asian subgroup of this PERLA trial were done, and the results was consistent with the study hypothesis and the overall population, which was Dostarlimab showed a better efficacy than Pembrolizumab in a numerical number. However, it's a subgroup analysis, and the patient group numbers are very small, so it should be interpreted with caution. So I think the results from this study support the further investigation of the Dostarlimab as a treatment backbone, because as you know, currently the first line standard is the chemo plus immunotherapy. So further novel approach or combinations should be further investigated.